Hello, saxophone players. We're going to be going through the holiday tune, Jolly Old St. Nicholas. Here we go. The first thing you need to know about this tune is that there are three distinct parts. So an A line, which is the top one, a B line, which is the middle one, and a C line, which is the bottom one. If we were in a traditional school building or if we were making music together at the same time, I would sign Susie, part A, and Johnny, part B, and Draven, part C. They would all play different lines, and when you combine them together, they make beautiful harmonic music. So you're probably asking yourself, Mr. Butler, I just want to do what's easiest. This is hard. That's fine, no worries. I made a handy chart for you. If you look at this, it shows that part A in this song is the hardest, part B is kind of the medium hardest, and then part C is the easiest in terms of the three parts. So choose your path, decide what you want to play. I am not going to do that for you. That's your choice. When you're going to record inside of Canvas, be sure that when you go to click on each part, that's the correct part you want to play. So if you're looking to play part C, ensure that that part C has been clicked on before you hit record. If you don't, it'll judge you based on some other part. With that said, my part in this song does not play individual parts, A, B, and C separately. It only plays everything together, so it's kind of hard to pick out which part is your own, which is why I had to make these YouTube videos to help you understand what your part really does sound like when it's by itself. When you look at the assignments in SmartMusic, you'll see that there is a part 1 and a part 2. Part 1 takes you from measure 1 through measure 4, and then part 2 takes you from 5 through 8 back to the beginning, and then jumping ahead to the second ending. So part 1 may seem very easy to you, and that's on purpose, because measure 5 through the rest of it will take you a little bit more time, so budget your time accordingly. So as you can see in this song, we've got some new symbols that are happening. The new thing is this 1 with the line over top of it. This is called the first ending, and then the 2 with the line over top is called the second ending. So if you remember, these 2 dots mean to repeat back to the beginning. So when you play this song the first time, if you were playing the A part, it'd be like great, first ending, awesome. Now repeat back to the beginning, do it again. When you get to the end of the 6th measure, instead of playing the first ending, you'll then jump ahead and play measure 9 and 10 to end it out. When I go to play my instrument and show you how this goes, you'll understand a little bit more what I'm talking about. I've clicked on my A part, I'm ready to record. Here we go. Okay, I've clicked on the B part. I'm ready to record now. I've clicked on the C part. I'm ready to record it now. If you've made it this far and you've worked really hard on it and you've got your recording in, know that I am super proud of you, and I can cut out some of the mistakes that may happen here and there. So if you got something that's like 90% great, I can cut out those 10% and just mix you in to the group and eliminate some of those squawks and squeaks. So don't get too hung up on absolute perfection. Maybe kind of what you're hearing from me, though I'm not perfect, but you understand what I'm saying. Like, if you miss one note, it's okay. Go ahead and hit submit. We're trying to like get this in for the Christmas performance. I'm so proud of you for making this far in your journey on music so far. I hope you had a great time with Jolly Old St. Nicholas. I'm really looking forward to listening to you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.